Tamia Ja. Wait.
Hey, now I think I can ask you questions. This is Mandiweza.
Hey, you can put on your camera as well.
I'm with my girlfriend, so let me just go sitting room.
No problem.
Okay.
How are you, Mom?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm excellent. As you can see, I'm always excellent, you know. Argentina.
I have some questions for you.
You support Argentina?
No, I don't support any team. I just wear it for moral bus.
No, I love Argentina. Messi is the god, so nice jersey.
Yeah, so we need to hurry up. Okay.
No, don't worry. I'm not talking about your sexuality. I don't care about your sexuality. Your sex. This is not about your sex. Forget about it. Let's focus about the issue. The important issue is perjury. So you got me.
So yeah, we have important issue. We also have some questions that I need to ask you.
Zabe Jare Gabena something different.
It's gonna be the same. But I also need some questions because I've been looking for you in the first my first. Why?
No, don't worry. Tamia, don't worry. I'm accessible. Don't worry about what you have read about me. You have me now. So let's talk about perjury. Then you have a chance to ask any question.
Okay. So let's talk about the ndizona zari kunata umai unokuchwaja tonena bodza kukoti wa
fuso wamaliza
ndizona kuti umai munatawa kupita kumeneko
ayi kumalawi sina tawe mai ndinabwera ku Ireland kuzapanga school. I think ndinapanga post pa social media Jani kalata yo ndi pasanga offer scholarship yo za panga maphunziro dimaji PhD.
Okay, so you went there for school?
Yes, I came here for school.
Okay, fine. When are you coming back to Malawi?
Maybe 2029. I'm not sure.
Tayandali.
What do you mean Tayandali?
2029 is a Kandali Zandilia.
Is that how Malawians think? When we are voting, we should not.
I don't understand how you operate as a lawyer on social media. I respect you so much.
You do respect me. Why do you respect me?
Because sometimes you have sense in you, whatever you talk. I'm wondering, are you okay?
I mean, you are having a conversation with me. You can judge me whether I'm okay or not. I mean,
I'm not trying to. I'm trying to understand. I don't want to judge. I want to understand.
No, when I say judge, I mean kuti utakuona iweyo paweka kutena kuti Kamangila Alexious Kamangila uja uyu ndikuyankhula naye kodi ali bwino kapena wapenga kapena akupenga iweyo.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you. Are you like, is everything okay?
Yeah. I mean, ndimene unena zonena kuti ineyo ndisindikuona vuto lina lilonse ndeweyo ngati waona vuto lina lake utaonena kuti
okay.
Bambo
I know you as a lawyer. You as a lawyer. If I don't social media, kumabanga ataki private, kumabanga expose my private issues.
You see, the live in the topic again perjury. Mafusa, I can address them. Komata, can we discuss issue of perjury?
No, you're trying to clear your name.
No, my name is in good light. There's nothing to clear. I'm just trying.
I'm asking you my questions. You are trying to escape it. You need to answer the questions. Why do you always attack and expose my private issues? And you being a lawyer.
Ndikuona ngati kunena kuti zimene ukufusa zoiti zimene ukufusira tiro wajangwe tikhala chinambala. So
no, it's not the normal questions. I don't care about the comments, and I'm going to ask you in a very respectful way. You as a lawyer and as a person that we respect as a lawyer, expose my private issues and
what is private? What is private?
Okay, my private issues, my issues are if you also words you are and you don't even have evidence. So you as a lawyer, just exposing that Kuna munene Onesimus kuti ndi gay. Kumanena anthu ambiri. Maneno ndalini Jan. Why do you do that as a lawyer? Why don't you just handle it in legal way as a lawyer? Mapepa ala Jan kwasumira anthu aja. Chifukwa mapepa.
Okay, so if you had an opportunity kapena kuti unakatenga nthawi pang'ono ndikuona mene malamulo amayendera. When it comes to criminal law, malamulo aupandu mene uliweyo Tamia Ja sungapite kukamba a criminal case against Kamangila. A criminal case imakhala boma against munthu uyo, imakhala state or republic versus munthu uyo. Iweyo ngati Tamia Ja, the worst you can do or the best you can do ndi kukadandaula ku polisi kapena kukadandaula ku SB kapena kukadandaula kupempha ku chantimati director of public prosecutions kunena kuti akupase chikalata kucholezo chonena kuti upange kesi timati private prosecution kuti umuzenge munthu mlandu mwa private. Koma even ukamapanga zimene zozo pamakhala kuti ndi boma versus munthu yeweyo mankhala kuuza boma lawyer kuti apange private prosecutor. Now wafundukamba izifatwa mu funso lako wafunsa unena kuti sumangotenga kupita pa court bwanji mkapanga janjani.
Okay, let's talk. Ndingoiza example ngati yakwamba ija. Why did you do that?
Ukuziwa Tamia zimene manena zo fani mazozo kuti you have a very for being respectful, you have a very complicated brain, yet kuti nkhani ja funso limene wandifunsa kulikumbukira loyambirira
ndakukusani wena umanka zosiyana
ka funso limene wandifunsa loyambirira wakulikumbukira sikulikumbukira so umango jompa. So ine I can have a conversation with you yongo jompa fine sindikwanisa zo jompa
I guess I cannot have a conversation if with you if you're not giving me a straight question. Kifojani ndakuza nikani pangani apa pakani zoya utsandu zomakala wagula nkapangana waguli zobanga expose landu. Why do you do that?
Umazwa mama ku Malawi amanena jani
yeah nani mwazo sumu yanka mazo ino makosa nizojira ino
mama umazwa utamati jani unambapo za another way of doing sex, what the law says.
Yeah, namvapo.
Amanena kuti jani malamulo another way of doing sex.
I don't know and I don't care.
No, you should care about what the law says. You don't.
Why do you expose my private issues?
When it's about criminality, criminal. When something concerns crime, it's not private. Iwe yonga nzika ya Malawi ukoza kundimanga ine kundimanga arrest imati private arrest or citizen arrest. So revealing criminality is not revealing private conduct of people.
What was it about?
Okay, so yeah, me being a lawyer, I don't know if you have been following. Gwamba, ndiye kundisatawo. Kumene kundisatawo. Whatever you call it. Gwamba.
Why do you do that, you being a lawyer?
Any conduct that is connected to crime or that qualifies to be a crime, there's nothing private about that. As a citizen, you have a responsibility and an obligation to go to rule and famena akupanga crime kabena zinthu akuphwanya malamulo ndi udindo ndithu ubeni wina aliyense amene ali mzika ali nawo. Ine utandipeza kuti ndikupanga zinthu zosaweruzika zimene zizophwanya malamulo uli ndi obligation kabena responsibility yonditani kodi yondisekera ndikuita na polisi kundipanga prevent from running away until a police andipeze andimange. China chichonse chibereni makamba cha anthu zomwe what you describe as scandals of people zimakhala connected in the crime. Whether we amakabanga spend drama za money laundering zimene apanga pa show yawo. He was using proceeds of a crime. That's the thing. You know, you're laughing, but it's ignorant. Because you're ignorant. You think this is funny.
I'm not ignorant.
You're ignorant. You know. I've been very respectful. I have been respectful, but you're laughing because you're ignorant.
No.
Have you ever read section 42? Now we go 42, Law Financial Crimes Act.
No, I'm not a lawyer, so I don't.
No, that's the thing. Malamulo sida mina maina weninga ni maloya oka. Ziga ile yose yadzigo. Imaina izizwa malamulo. At least malamulo amene ali associated ali related. Ngati malamulo okuza tinga malamulo akulu adziko la constitution. Timaina diziwerenga. Ande waona utatiye kati malize nkhani ya gwambayo. Usadumpe. Tamia, I will not allow you to be jumpa ngati nkhukuzo. I will not allow you. We can't have a conversation you mango jumpa ngati nkhuku. Tikuyena unena kuti miru ija mabweresa apa tiije miru ija timalize bwino. Osati jumpa apa ina kuti pite pena.
So video nena ife this one maujine yake.
Zagwamba ziwamvetsa kuti chifukwa chimene ni mapanga review zagwamba wamvetsa.
Okay, abaina zokulifuna mukajadama za money.
Yes, so it's the process of a crime. They were amagapaka process of a crime. Amagapaka process of a crime. Hello?
Yeah, I understand you. Okay, there is this, you know, the Mamubanga is super intelligent. So Mamubanga expose that. So why don't we just
no, it's actually getting a lot of results. It's Zambia. I can give you so many examples. Should I give you examples?
Yes, please.
Okay, choyambirira umaziwa zoda amene anaulula kumalayi za Malis hotel ndi ndani kuti anthu akubandalama kugwisa ntchito ngati akugula hotel ya Malis kuja anaza kuitana kuja afterwards anaza kuitana kuti ukakhale kuti unkajambulisa uli mswimming pool njanja ndinapanga review.
Yes, I went there.
Yeah, ndinapanga review za Malis hotel ndineyo mpaka na parliament ndikupezeka kuti yazuka nkupanga committee committee ija ndikutani kuyamba kufufuza zinthu zija mu committee muja ndikupezekaso kuti so chair committee abida kwa apostle Clifford Kawinga aitanidwa akapasidwa 65 million kuti asokoneze kafukufuku ine ndikuululaso kenako kupezeka kuti ndipo ndinauza anthu na disease akomitiwa ma members of parliament cholinga chawo sikufuna kuthana ndikatangale faiwo amapanga so benefit mukatangale ngati akupanga zolongosoka ndipo khapoka pamene ife anzika tachilimika ndikumapanga push ndikumaonesa kuti tikuwaona. Sorry?
Yes, at least my issues that I mean always understandable. My issues I mean angapindulire community yangu. That's understandable.
Then zimene ndikuuzazo kunena kuti crime simakhala always direct. Crime imakhala excuse me, ma levels osiyana. Pamakhala crime ina yonena kunena kuti imakhala imabisidwa, imapangidwa cover munjira ina, you know? Anthu mwachisanzo ndikupasa chisanzo. Anthu akhonza kumapezeka kunena kuti ayambisa kampingo kapena ni mpingo ndikumaoneka ngati akupemphera koma chimene akupanga ndikupeze kuti akupanga business yo safuna kupereka msonkho ngati akumanga chalichi akumanga kuthandiza koma behind kuthandiza kuja akufuna kuba kubera ndalama zimene zinakabwera kwa Malawi kuzera misonkho. So ndikayankhula zina za direct anthu amati Kamangila zimenezo koma uzipanga dizi ndikayankhula zina zimene anthu ajasa kumvetsa they quickly say we have lost direction, but it's because they don't understand and they don't pay attention. So I appreciate you having the interest, giving a benefit of doubt to have a conversation with you. I appreciate that. They quickly judge, but especially or they don't have an idea of you know, or when they don't understand the figure Kamangila wapenga. So now they was
yeah, if I already the way you carry yourself, you know, so kubenga.
Mene tukanka kuona udi nende kubenga.
No.
Do you know why you are saying that? Because you are having a conversation with me. You are having a conversation, so you are able to deduce. Kuti muntu akankula ichi, aukamba ichi. Koma muntu onena kuti wangozia ngana pamwamba. Ola anthu ena do you know kuti anthu ena akamva kuti ndinayi pa live ndiweyo. Anena kuti Kamangila ndobusa. Why would you spend time with Tamia? Do you know that other people would say kuti why would I waste the time talking to you? Ukuziwa zimeze?
Yes, I'm being.
Yeah, a lot of people would judge me for talking to you. But are they right? They are not. They are wrong.
No, they are okay. They are not. It's It's not true. They're lying.
Exactly. Essentially, they are wrong to think in that way.
So, yeah, so 2029 you're coming to Malawi.
20 to 9, like 20 to 9, yeah.
Are you sure you're gonna be here in Malawi? This is when
you know, Woody, if there was something emergent for me, I can come to Malawi tomorrow even. Because sometimes people. Aye, so. Siningakukwanise Tamia. Aye. No. Aine siningakukwanise Tamia. Iweyo anthu amene umapanga nawo umakondana nawo akwanira. Tamia, how many people do you want to love? Ufuna ukonde anthu angati?
You know,
Ataloya. Stand nechiro bwanji. Chabu ndabanga delegate stand nechiro. I am going to stand nechiro. Ufuna lawyer, ngarufuna umukonde stand nechiro. Ina have delegated stand nechiro.
My feelings, my love,
you know that not everyone that loves you not everyone that you love you get hold of it. But then I go my akonda mangufuna ngwakondera kutali choncho. No, I cannot be arrested.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Really? Okay, come.
Just to prove Tamia Ja wrong.
No, not only Tamia Ja wrong. I'm not the only one who think like that. But people are trying to be a member of so come and prove it.
Just to prove people wrong. Okay, let me give you a scenario. You know when I was in Malawi in September or in October, there was a pending arrest of me. They wanted to arrest me. Yeah, but the DPP then said you cannot arrest him. There's no issue here. Mulandu menafuna kuti Kamangila unali mulandu wa timati criminal libel. Criminal libel ndi gawo limodzi la defamation. Mulandu oyipitsira munthu dzina umene umakambidwa ukakhala kuti lite. So libel, defamation pali slander ndi libel. Slander ndi zongoyankhula zapakamwa zomwe wamuyipitsira munthu dzina kungoyankhula. Libel ndi zoti walemba wamuyipitsira munthu dzina koma walemba. Nde a judge anakadandaula ku polisi kuti libel kuti malemba paja I was posting about the judge being corrupt and all that. So anakadandaula and there was a pending kuti andipange arrest. Koma arrest imene afunika kuti andipange neyo amaina kwafusa director of public prosecutions libel. Kenapo napeza kuti director now that you can't do that. Koma panopa libel ija panopa is not a criminal anymore. I don't know ngati umasatira Chisambere Neneri Chisambere. You should know Neneri. Anali ku court mpaka nakafika supreme and all that on the issue naiso ndi mulandu nkhani yake imweyo ya criminal libel. So then the court has come out to the conclusion that law is archaic, is unconstitutional. It borders around violation of the right to freedom of expression. So one thing that maybe people don't speak or don't talk about is kuti mulandu wa Joshua Chisambere unathandiza kuchosa lamulo lolakwika limene mati criminal libel. So other than that, there's no ground of me to being arrested. Kapena ine mukuziwa mulandu umene ndili nawo kuti athatha kundimangira chimene mukunena kuti mukabwera kumalaya za kumangana Kamangila. Chilipo chimene
ubwele uzambire kunkulu.
I mean, I need to have a reason to come to Malawi. So, ngati pali mulandu ina wake umene mukuziwa iniyo wandi kuti iwe asa kumangira mulandu uchi. For example, criminal libel kesi ya Joshua Chisambere unathesa. It's no longer a crime.
Yeah. Wewe ngarufuna milandu yawe ungomwe umangiza kweka.
Ndi zambiri zochita moyo ka.
Ndifuna kuopa.
Ndikuopa sojani ndiopa jani palibe mulandu kaya. Ndanena ndi mulandu umene ndi nawo.
Uli kumaye unokusuma panga izizi wayamba unachokako unatawa.
Unayamba ndi satellite.
Yanamba kutsala nthawi nake umona apanga posti anaza kupanga posti achina ndikozo kuli kwa lawyer in town yanjani mutabeba nthawi imene mupanga zinthu za sense.
Chaka chanji. Chaka chanji.
Pano mnalo wachina mbalala.
Ya ndamvetsera katatu usabiti. Zodu iweyo kuzodi sungani nyoze ene kukhumudwa. Ubuzwa zimeze?
Ineso songa
iweyo sungani nyoze ndoti kukhumudwa. If I know my worth.
Yeah, naneso
I know my worth. I know my worth. Sungani nyoze china chake ndoti ine ndikukhumudwa.
I know my worth, darling. I know my worth. I know my rights. Like I don't care what I'm design as long as I know myself.
Okay, that's good. We are good. chaka chanji ndimangofusa kuti chaka chanji chimene una amigozana anandipanga post. Was it about Musa John? Okay.
I was like, okay, let me try to understand who and who they. I feel about savage.
So
you need, if you want to talk about corruption, if you want to address the audience, you need people like us as well. And pamene we have opportunity to tell Anthu zinthu.
Koma iweyo za corruption unakambapo lizo za corruption. Zakatangale. Kodi iweyo ndi amene umakhala ukamba za anthu. Ikunena ati iweyo ifanya umakamba za anthu. Iweyo ndi amene umakhala ukamba za anthu kaya. In fact, video yako iweyo kamayamba, video yako tamvetsera tukaye, tamvetsera kaye. Video yako kamayamba nthazo somana ati ineyo maziwa pakachika scandal ine ndimatenga zimene ndimakamba zimene chifukwa chona zoti iweyo mukazapalamula anthu sasa kunyengerera anthu ndiye kumanena I've listened to your videos, yes. So iweyo content yako it's based on scandals. And now you come to me to say, hey, why do you talk about people? You are the one actually who has based their content on scandals.
Scandals. Then now you're trying to compare yourself with me.
No.
You have qualification. You are a lawyer. You have my qualification. You have my school. This is not school. So in your operation, operation in office in your graduate based on public. Is our public. What is good? But then you. Kamwinda dani Anthu kamboma mbwa chenchani umamba no big wapekera nkhani amene amene akapanga isi now na no so do normal scandal komano the difference between me and you is that you know at least level of school nemi mazidabo ura kapena muna anze rundi fe ose pro school fe.
Okay, for soloyamba mwina waiwa koma makamba zonena kunena kuti unafusa fuso iweyo lona unati kodi suma yankhula when you're in Malawi banji unayamba kuyankhula utachoka. Yeah, so ndinaza kufusa kulera kuti when was the first time unandimvapo you heard about me, so unazaka mbalo unandimva pa mikozi which I don't remember, which I wish you had known. Komano fuso manager mafusa ndicho linga joti ndikuonetse kunena kuti ineyo kuyankhula on injustice namba kuyankhula kalekale. So when you go back publicly kuti kukhala intense using Facebook as a platform yopanga expose injustice ndinabanga in 2021 kwambiri. In 2021 Supreme Court sitting as a panel of 7 judges inagamula mu mlandu wa Charles Koviwa versus Republic kesi imene imkakuza munthu amene anapangidwa sentence to death amene anapita so high court kena kumene uja ukapanga appeal kena kusizina ende kena wanafika Supreme Court. Nkhani yake amanena unena kuti mandatory death penalty was unconstitutional. The main so ujeni mene yoyo suna nene kuti bambo yake ba suna mtu kwani kuti bambo yake chifanya ni wanena kuti amake
chonda amake bana mbeleka kulasa gana zopepelazo uzena anza kumbuliwa
kumano iweyo baibo sukuona kuti wa azmai nonde wa aphekesa chifoti unakatha kunenera bambo yake. Why have you gone kwa wanenera maya kosa nenera bambo yake anyway the mandatory death penalty nayo nena kuti maamuna nayo nena kuti akakupeza munthu kuti waphanzako ikangopeza koti ja kuti tapezadi umbono kwane waphadi nzako koti lija limatani kodi limakupasa it was automatic kuti ulanda death penalty. Komano panali case ya Kafantine I think Francis Kafantine versus Republic imene nena unena kuti ngakhala akakupeza kuti walakwa kuti unaphadi munthu koti likwena limve timati mitigating factor zichazo dandaula kuti napangadi koma mwina ndinali ntalezera ka mwina ndine mwana wa masiye ka chazotero zicha so amafuna kuti magesa amene wazipanga. So Charles Koviwa amanena kuti mena mampasa death penalty panalibe mwayi onena kuti apereke ma mitigating factors. So ku Supreme Court ikafika nkhanicha pa 28 April 2021 court lina unena kuti the death penalty, mandatory death penalty was unconstitutional for the access to justice includes kuti court liwoneke the circumstances kuti munthu azipereka ma mitigating factors mwachidule. Komano, mu judgment mujana nena sonati, other than the mandatory death penalty itself, death penalty is unconstitutional. So Anthu amene panga advocacy kapena kuti kumenyera kuti mulandu kuphanza kuti munthu akaphanzake naiso aphedwe chilango chimene chinchoipa tinasangalala and we spoke. It was good. It was like a victory to that fight. And then come August, barely 4 months, the same Supreme Court kugwisa ntchito mulandu omweyo inazanena unena kuti ayi mulandu sizimene zimayina kukhalira ababa ndekuti tikwena tipange death penalty is still unconstitutional. So I went ballistic. I can confess to you, but I went ballistic. Nena Chief Justice Charles not Andrew Nyirenda, the judges, kuti zimene zinachitika zimene zinazo sokonekera Supreme Court. In fact, I've written a paper on this, about 42 pages paper on this issue. Ngati umakonda kuwerenga, I can send you to one just to share.
I don't like
Okay. So ndakhala John Chan. One example. Another example ine ndakhala public kubanga jani kukamba zinthu zoteleza kuti kukhala public kubanga speak out on injustice. I don't know ngati una like when you go by Google, just type Alexious Kamangila and prison something. I've done so much work on prisoners. Nimapanga shout on government. Minati nuboma mukulakwisa anthu amundende akwena khaleso azisamali.
What did you do zina? Let me be honest with you. Zina kumema kunama kumapanga ni support. Koma zina aziai.
If we are like that, isungawo ndiponde wendense ka. Palibe munthu amene wonga mukonde 100% ka.
Ndabuya namaye kuno kuti. Let's fight. Let's be freedom fighters together.
No, in terms of fighting together, I can do that, but I don't need to be physical in the same room with you for us to fight. You know, social media, we can work together. Like Ababa, we are together, by the way.
No, in our physical together.
You want what do you want to do to me physically?
I just want to see you.
You can see me right now.
No, but I just want to understand. If you are fighting against corruption, you need to be here with us, not far from us. They're gonna kill us. They're going to kill us.
They will not kill you. Killing someone is not as easy as people say or people think. People will not kill you anyhow. And you know,
they're gonna kill us.
No, they will not kill you. They will not kill you. The way I'm okay with what you decide to do.
You and me.
Iwe ubanga zani ne kabena ubanga za malayo ufuna zokuthi uthandize ineyo kabena ababa ticha kumathandizana visually ababa yo pamene boy ndili kunoko iwe akhoza kupha chifajani iwe wona ngati magwira ntchito ndekha. I work with a lot of people. I have a lot of people that work and support my work. I don't work alone. Iwe ufuna ineyo osati ntchito imene ndikuina upangayi.
Okay, number one, ntchito I need trust first. I need to have trust. You need to come to my work. Let's meet up. Let's discuss.
Let's meet up.
How can we move on? How can we do this and that?
We can do that before and better even. Iwe APM hadalo ameno president. You know statement man anena. Amanena uda amagwira ntchito yambiri pa phone and he gets things done on the phone. So we as Malawians were encouraged to use it. And you know, when you travel now in Europe and America, people don't go to office every day. Most people actually stop going to the office. Amangugwira ntchito pajan, my computer pajan. AI. This is an AI world. So this is the future. The future. You're living the future, Tamia. This is encounter. Ababa takumana baba. Palibe suzodi gudiso janjani. This is meeting. I'm not coming to Malawi to meet Tamia Ja. I think the best way to out the bangas do where I think tingo bangas do where ufuna kwa America, ndipo kapita umene kuzika tani. Fine ndi uno ku school. Ndio ufuna the best plan.
No, yes, I'm okay. It's okay. I'm don't want to go out.
Kuma nthawi ko mazanena kuti kuti ndichula maina ndikakhandiri ku America. Nanje ndindimaona ngati umakhanga kupanga maplani opita ku America.
I was just joking. Singathawe machula maina
ngati you don't have a plan. Kuma ndakupa self background yanga. Right? Yonena kuti the way I am now is the way I was. It's just that I was doing a different fight. I wasn't fighting corruption. And fighting corruption is not something that I chose. Maybe I didn't give you this background. Umazoa nesina sanke kuti nzipanga advocates against corruption. I just found myself kuti ndayankhula zokhuza judge which is fighting me with the cartel. And then when you are being fought, mutamaku menya zibagera muntu tawina nake umangoina uyambe kubweza sona wezibagera. Sikuti ukambirane fa muntu nganongofika iwe mene ukuyankhula ndine kumbuyo kungobuya muthambe kumenya zibagera. Mukambirana nthawi zanji. Umayina kwale kumenyane naye. Kuti nokena kumwina iyo jakati.
Okay, but now when you're in 26, it's not take a lawyer.
Yeah, if you are so young, Tamia, you're so young. You can become a lawyer. How many years
does it take?
To be a lawyer, 5 years maximum, because you need 1 year of college and then 4 years of law school. Or else, depending on which path you go. Sometimes I'm going to have a degree in 4 years. I got my degree 4 years. I can go to law school 4 years. I think in your circumstances, one would be how you are. So you can and trust me, tita umakunga dugamba zo joke baba or utamona wangamba kuma it's very possible for you to do law. And some kuna mize ngadi law kuti ndio vuta chan. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Kwambiri so. You can do it. Kwambiri so. Usa like okay. One of the first ways you can do ukafufuze kumpemba kuja. You can start with a certificate. Do a certificate. Komano, of course, at the end of the day, MSc ndio funigira. So if MC yako Malawi School Living Certificate yako siribo, ndeudu ubange imene ukonze. Kungambira form 3, for the mathandiza literature jajan form 3, umenya form. Nthawi simaje Tamia. Iweyo tanduze iweyo 5 years ago what you were thinking and how 5 years has just gone by fast. Now it's imagine. 4 years. But when you just start and put your heart in it, in Zabobo, and the way suma like you have a lot of free time. Like you have a lot of free time. So utaubanga.
Yeah.
If you're really serious about it, I can find you mentors in Malawi, brilliant lawyers that can be following your path and helping you.
I think the Kaibas Liganize
yeah, why actually I was going there. Why do you want to become a lawyer?
Why do I want to become a lawyer?
Yeah. Ufuna ukhala lawyer ifanyani. Don't worry, don't mind about people. You are alone, basi.
Okay, I think you can do WhatsApp.
Yeah, don't mind people. That's really serious.
Okay. Nzazi yuzile neo kubanga file zino zomwe anthu saziona ndi maso awo.
Okay. Awanda kumva komano nauza kuti ndikutumizira article imene ndalemba ya 42 pages unanena kuti sukonda kuwerenga ndio ufuna zakhala lawyer zatheka ba. That's a contradiction.
Pamene bobo I don't like reading pamene bobo nde basi nde kuti ndingobanga zomwe mkonza kungotirwatira basi. Iwewe ni mileage yaikulu ase. Yeah, you know that your sexual life, almost also the sexual life yako maika pambamba, right? It's very public, your sexual life. Ukakandi girlfriend uti maziwa kuti muntu advice ndo akuti chakuti ndebali zina zimene sumazika pa public koma ife timazizi ngati ineyo ngati investigator nimaziziwa. But that's not the subject. So you know it maziwa zithu chifoni ndino amabodza. And sizo zomwe maika bakulinze nizeni. Mwanango kungoifota ntoma kumverani maso ntoma banga trust.
Okay, nanduze nkhani modzi imene siriyoona. Nkhani modzi imene
you talked about me with this Damia Ja, you talked about me sleeping with this and that.
Inedu conversation yisi mafuna kuti nzikamba zawo za personal. Chifukwa imene ita kupangiza kuti you should become emotional and it might not be a good life, you know. That's why I didn't want to talk about you.
Because me, I'm not an emotional person. I'm also very big for me. I'm depending on the career.
Okay, tanduza chimene nakamba chabodza kuti ndizipange defend pano pakuti ndikuti.
Mfano kukuzane. Choyo muzidziwa inuyo. Ngakazo kuti mina mukura mukangane ndi munthu. You need to come up with facts. Don't use zowangana kuti wina wake akhale emotional, but now you should make a person sad.
Ineyo Tamia sinankhulepo chinthu chimene munthu sichoona. Izizi ndikukuuza with palibe chinthu chimene ine ndimayankhula. In fact ndimangodikira opportunity yonena kuti munthu andipange challenge ino ndeni.
Should I challenge you? You want to ngori no mandisaka apa mane
wandola ineyo kuti sindikupanga za iweyo ndikupanga za Malawi. I'm focusing on Malawi.
Ndifana kukuzane ine sine virgin Kamangila maka. Amuna ndima mudziwa mamuna. Ndemu ndisiye mwanga nzikhala.
Okay.
Makona zopanga right sexual right ine ndaona nigga makona zopanga sexual right.
Iweyo mapost amene wapanga 2 days the last 48 hours ukanile kuti ine makanzi imba ndi sexual yawe iweyo. Okay, how have I been fighting or ndakandi kulimbana ndi sexuality yako munjira yanje, like what have I done?
In many different ways.
Yeah, which is small.
Just mnawo live makamba zambiri zaine komandukuzeni ine simpanga nayo zamaneno ndolinyi za corruption za kumapanga support corruption ni maka. This is the house that I stay. It's not even my house. I pay rent. I make money through my videos yangu mango zikalira. Ndimo kama ndamizana mizira
Iwe Tamia Ja, let me take you back. Tifoni ya Mpinganjira. What is your connection to Tifoni? How many times has she given you money?
Only one time. Twaje umedi na banga yani ka game ka Facebook. Remember? I'm putting for some people on this one. Yana banga boss kula kuna abatend drama ndanu. Uyo magwelo wake ujamarina. Uyo magwelo uyo.
Chingani.
And I can have this. Yeah, I can have the screenshot. Then never zori na uzo zori amami. Ndibate ni neo drama ndena zoroke. When your number ya FDH and nango na drama ya Rumizi. I don't even have her number. My just eye.
You see?
Kumano inuyo marenga ma information za mina kama kumizana inbox.
Ineyo palibe chinthu chimene.
Aliyesu ngorumi da inbox ya Tamia wabangaizi, uyu wabangaizi. Marenga ma information amene
Tamia Ja palibe tu ine chimene.
And it doesn't work like that.
Palibe chimene ine nena iwe chimene chisalichoona. Palibe.
Kwa ineyo you have lied against me. Mwana ndina mizira zinkani.
Kuti chani? Nkhani ya kuti chani? Nkhani ya kuti sukuyikamba nkhani ifanya, sukuyikamba nkhani ifanya.
I don't want to say zimuzina because it also involved and pamene so mawada.
Okay. Nkhani ya yose mene ndinakuuza iweyo. Ndinakutchula cha iweyo. Ndi umbono wake.
Yeah, umbono wake wewe.
Ndi umbono wake. And anthu amene wakhala involved yo amango kupanga wisha. I don't know ngati samakuza amanga wisha jamia zimene zisiye. Because anthu amene it's only people that are working at a lower level that think I'm playing. Kabina uti ningo. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not threatening it. Come on. Look at how I've been having a conversation with you. A very casual conversation. You know, I've been having a very casual conversation with you. No threats whatsoever.
I know, you know. The only weapon to use is by posting to Anthu gamwana mizira. Zan ambimbia tuma wana mizira.
Pali babeli na mizira. Tamia Ja, iweyo ndakazo kuti ndikufuna kuti ndikuyibisire mbiri. Sindingakupase mwayi pa platform yanga. You know? Ndakuza kunena kuti ineyo kuyankhula ndi iweyo. Iweyo kuyankhula ndi iweyo. And when I will be like Kamangila, why would he lower himself speaking to Tamia Ja? You know my post Tamia my comments Tamia page banga. Some people would say, but I know your value, Tamia. I know your value. I know you are important in Malawi. Mina ntusana kuze po izizi. Daima guy sinu kamba za everyone. Hey, listen. Sinu kamba za everyone. I'm joking, like I'm playing with you. Like there's nothing a threat or something.
You are threatening. If I'm not kamba zambi mbili za ineyo zambi mbili nangu wayanga na umazumwe mabanga. Sibu munagasi jino handi samu.
I thank you. I appreciate that. Listen, Tamia Ja. Actually, in fact, fighting corruption, there's no one in Malawi that has fought corruption like I've done.
Yeah, there's no one.
Yeah, and I'm going to fight, corruption with even more. And people have begun to understand. People thought I'm just playing. My people have so mafuna ndikuyamikire kunena kuti people samaziwa kufunikira kwako nkonena kuti iwe ndikuthekera kwako pa anthu nkumakusatira ndikumamvetsera zinthu zako. Ndiye ineyo ngati Kamangila sindimasamala kuti umapanga chani. What I care is your capacity, capability yako, kuthekera kwako ndikunena kuti ndi anthu amene amakumvetsera iweyo. Kanthu aja kwauza zaboza, kanthu aja kwauza za sexuality yako, that's your choice. Ineyo chimene ndakakonda, if I had a request for you, is kunena kuti in whatever way you do, not kuti uzikamba zimene makamba ineyo, ukhale ndi party yako imene uzikamba za katangale imene amachitikira ku Malawi, ndipo imene amapangira affect achinyamata, including you. For achinyamata ambiri amene amakusatira iweyo aja alibe tsogolo, ndipo tsogolo ali kubedwa, these politicians, these business people in Malawi, even my pastors, spiritual people, they are stealing our future. They are stealing your future and our children's future and our children's future. So, wina aliyese wachinyamata, including we, amene undi mphamvu, zoti uli ndi 1.4 million followers. And the thing about social media, amene nene maziwira, it's not only your followers. There are other people that don't even follow you. Page yako jasaba nga comment sangabanga like mama mvera zimene umayankhula, they will listen to what you're saying. So that's your power. Zimene ndi mphamvu yako. Ndeni kufuna kuti mphamvu yako ija usangoigwisa ntchito mwachibwana. You know, you should use it to transform, to impact people in a way that even iwe uzadabwaso kuti I've caused this impact on people's lives. So one thing, vuto lako Malawi tu as a country now. Let's get out of Kamangila, get out of Tamia. Vuto lako Malawi. Yeah.
Deep down, you know, when you talk about corruption, you are talking about and they depend on it. They depend on my corruption, and then drama is these. Then number one, they can do anything. Then now you want to tell me you can do this and that. You're not being a good example to me.
Okay, so
corruption is
okay, so Tamia, ndipangeni mani naonera kuti iweyo kukamba za katangale kapena kumenyana nkhani ya katangale suru upange bene mapangira ineyo I know unena kuti the way I fight it's risky. It's risky. I will not lie to you, but I'm not under risk. I am the way I fight. Iweyo when you mention or when you fight corruption, you don't have to fight in my way. Iweyo kumani naonera kuti katangale akononga dziko nkhani zakuti taonani mankhwala kuchipata kulibe kuchipata ifaja kuti dziko la Malawi linapanga budget mwachisanzo budget ya ku parliament ija kodi budget inani na kuti chani achinyamata budget. There was a day yomwe unapanga nthawi yachakwera, I think 2025, unapangisa sona chakwera amapangisa sona iyo mapangisa sona yako page yako panda za anthu. I think you had about 13K or something. That was beautiful. Using that platform, mukoza makamba even is a budget. Just use follow parliament. Kuti parliament kukambirana chani. Just mazo parliament kuti umakhala information ya mbili mina msama iziwa. And people don't pay attention. Pamene dziko imayendesa tu ndi parliament ija because dziko limayenda ndi malamulo. Malamulo amapanga ndi parliament. Antakama ganiza malamulo amaganiza constitution, kapena mapino code, kapena constitution. Koma budget ija ndi lamulo limene ija. So ineyo ndikupempha izizi. Mina ma conversation ena watita kumakambirana abe as we go and all that. First ndingakambirana ndi Joseph. Komano platform yako ija, the platform that you have, use it to educate Anthu. Osama ngokambirana zokuti ineyo chibwezi changa ichi, ineyo chanchani, ineyo ni makonda izi. Tukuziwa zimene mapalipa mene samaziwa zimene umakonda. People know you, and I think people are vanga.
Kumano, you just said so you didn't see Padi Yangaso.
No, wakambangani ya danger. Kuti your life is in danger. Your life can be in danger. When not your life, you can be in danger. Then you don't have to call out names. Ngati meni mapangia ineni makuchula. Tamia Ja ndo wakatangale wabandalama ku Minister of Gender wazitenga ndalama zija wakagulira galimoto ku Toyota Malawi komanso change ijo wapita nacho ku Amalis Hotel. Ku Amalis Hotel kuja andichibwezi chake ichi. That's how I fight corruption. I expose people, and that can piss people out. You cannot do that way. You can fight corruption in your own way. And how many Kamangila, you fight, but his methods. So maybe you can find another method to fight corruption.
Yeah, disadvantage number one, they are too powerful. They can even kill you immediately. So you're not thinking about that. Before you are far away from us.
Okay, actually, justice. I'm an advocate for justice. Now, justice is ima barrier ikulu ndi corruption. So corruption is jandika sabukoka, kasabukoka kapat kamene kama panga ngati barrier. Ndimango chikamba chifoti chimecho chimene chapanga chapanga kifunga malawi kuti sakuona patali and all that. So anyway, iweyo uoneka unena kuti za corruption izi sikupanga nawo. Chimene ungapange mwina chimene iweyo ungapange chothandiza malawi ndi chani in terms of educating malawi.
Zambiri koma malawi wawo like at the end of kukuwana chinthu choti you are trying kuti anthu wamuna wathandiza amayamba kukuwana ndi
tikambeno za plagiarism chabwanji na I think ndakupasa nthawi yambiri wandifusa mafuso pali fuso lina kapena lomaliza tsana kambe za plagiarism manena ndinanamiza khoti then mafuna ndipange ndifotokoza.
Are you single kodi
ine okay, so wakamba zonena unena kuti Tamia wakamba zonena unena kuti Alexious moyo wako iweyo utabwera ku Malawi ukhoza kumangidwa chanjani ukamba zimezo ifoti you see kuti my work is risky. Zimene mabanga is risky.
Yeah,
so
risky komanso zina mazivanga
tamvetsera tumesa ndikukamba ndineyo point yo ndeno anthu amene ali connected to me I usually avoid talking about it because it would put them at risk. Yomwe yo sana sankhe pamene ineyo zizi ndimachita kusankha. I have chosen to do this. It's a choice I've made. Pamene anthu amene ali connected to me, either the people I love or people that love me, sana sankhe zizi. So I try to keep them out of the public eye and all that. So I hope you understand that. Then this meant as this for so many no siningaya for it then leads to that. But I'm not ready to mingle.
Oh, you are single.
No.
You are single, but you're not ready to mingle.
No, sina yanke so that I'm single, kabena I'm not single.
Okay, are you single but you're not single?
I don't know. Yeah, pejori. Hani yomwe analemba ujeni ya bota. Analemba umaika
Are you single or not single?
Ufuna oda?
Are you single?
Oh, we are done. You don't want to talk about pejori.
Okay, we are not done. I'll be here. I just want to find out. Are you single or you're single? You're not single.
I'm not single.
You have someone?
I'm not single. No, I'm not married. I'm not married.
No, me, I have a girlfriend.
I don't want to talk about your sexuality, you know, and what you like or what you don't like. I'm avoiding talking about it.
But I have a girlfriend.
Congratulations. Oh, you want me to ask you a question?
Yeah, you can ask me anything.
When did you become bisexual?
When did I become a lesbian?
No, bisexual. No, you are not a lesbian, Tamia. In his videos, you're bisexual.
Okay, so I sleep with men.
You sleep with girls and you sleep with men as well. You sleep with both.
I used to sleep with men.
No. When did you stop? When was the last time you slept with a man?
The day I become independent.
When? The question is when.
When? Okay, last time that's last year.
Come on, you are lesbian,
okay.
The last time you slept with a man is last year. Come on, you are lesbian maybe 3-4 years ago.
No. No,
last year. When
did you stop sleeping with men?
Yes.
Then I was last year.
Okay.
Yeah, meaning I was doing both. I was fighting and fighting at the same time.
No, I don't want to use those words. Because we are
understand now. Because you know Kamangila, mama fusa muntu.
Ngani ndia terminology, right? And how many now di name madwana? Mama zo di nesi madwana. The worst I do is to call someone. Kumunena muntu kuti is stupid or foolish. That's all. That's the only thing that I've.
Okay, yeah. So yes, the way I can.
Oh yeah. So your word. Don't use my words. I was
doing it, and I was also been doing it. I don't know how to explain.
Hey, men being bisexual, bisexual. Yeah. So you're bisexual. Okay, no.
Bisexual with men. Did I see? There was a reason why I was doing it as well.
No, I don't want to know the reasons. I just wanted to know. You know when they are cut, you need that could see. No, na fusa ndi negod. Ile na fusa na could see. Kuma ina mene moya nkasimu could see the chifanya.
Why you are gonna change?
So kuzwazi mene mukamba fana. Wachake ndi wachake. Iwe zizi ulindichilipo chimene chili mwa iwe chimene chimakupangisa kupanga. Zimene so yeah. Ineo, no thanks. No thanks. Chipumuso chawe chili mwa ambuye Yesu, mwa Yesu. Tate wantanda. Chipumuso chawe chili chapo mwa tate wantanda. Tate wantanda yo. What do you pray out? Where do you pray?
I don't go to church.
What? Ai, muntu wanda mabino bino ngale ukaobe kupereka 1000 or 2000.
I'm trying. I'm broke. I'm trying, you know.
No, you know, when I say good one drama, I don't mean good you have too much, but you have what umaja, you buy what you want to buy. No, don't mind people. When you go to church, you're focusing on Jesus. You know, you're going to God. Focus on God. He knows listen and go. He knows listen and go. The person you're dating, they don't go to church as well?
No, she does. She does.
Where does she go? I'll be out.
To save you.
Uzabite naye, you should start going to church with her. Yeah, you should start going to church. So next time we speak. Okay, mukoza kusanka kumabita ku Katolika. Katolika amataku kuvala trousers. Mukoza kumabita ku Katolika. Well, why not? Sinanga mukufuna kupita kumene mbali zose zida kulandireni. Koma, you know what? We need to have this conversation ya Benjamin, you know?
Yes. This one is
Zabe Jerezi jabaso makufuna ngoba ikamolalo. Uziwa zoti. Umava address. Umava address ndekuli?
Yeah, I used to wear my dress. I don't want to be done my dress. For you say bibas, muzonga be judge muna ya.
Yeah. Oh no, that's good. For me, as long as you go to church sometimes, not all the time, sometimes you gotta be it's okay. Anyway, I know Woody, you don't want to talk about the pictures. Allow me, Mogu Bempa, the photo Fankani Unayamba, and they say the issue that I know my image is okay. I want to remove misconceptions, meaning that article spread. I want to be grand in the man crossing Zomanda umboni, umboni ndabwe sasa mufuna kuti mumveso. Yeah, so ndiri ku Malawi, ntchito imene mapanga. Yeah?
Kamangila.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You are a very good person.
Chipulumutso cha munthu singakhale mwa munthu nzake iwe. Chipulumutso cha munthu singakhale mwa munthu nzake. Sizimayenda choncho. chipulumutso cha munthu chimakhala mwa Mulungu basi. Iweyo sungandifusire ineyo ka ndekuti kundiphwekesa ineyo. You can't ask me out. Ineyo ndekuti ndizimva bwanji sopano.
You're playing hard to get.
What do you mean? I'm not playing. I'm being real. I'm not playing. This is not. I'm not playing. You almost also think I'm a very direct person. Eh? Cinema zungulira. Yeah. So, ndirole within the photo was even 2 minutes. Give me your 2 minutes. I should explain. I was saying, maybe I'm gonna give me message which been All right, it was useful to have a conversation.
It was nice chatting with you. We can be chatting. If you have my it will make sense. I'm on it because I'm not going to live and you should have.
Oh, we can talk next. We can talk about mental health. Yeah, we can talk about mental health, which is a topic.
Yeah, when create my boss, the guys other than mango banga mabota Anthu. So I'm on it. I'm always free to talk about it. Amazing my youth, my youth.
Yeah. We can even talk about money, how to make money. We can bring Anthu and drama.
We can talk about how money laundering works. People don't know how it works. We can talk about it. Should be a better place, I think.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time.
Welcome, sir.
Take care. Bye.
A message 2 years ago. My client,
when you're in trouble, that time you were in trouble. Ana kumanga, nkani yokuza jani, yokuza, yeah, since I choose, yes, nkani mene jana kumanga, and I was there for you, like, so that's me. That's the thing. You see, that's me. I was there for you.
Yeah, you were there. That's why I always remember. So, that was really good.
I haven't changed, Tamia. I have not changed. That's me. Like when I see injustice happens, I rise up. And when people don't understand, I hate injustice. Even injustice of my enemy. Or not you, I'm not saying you are my enemy. Even injustice of my enemy. As long as Muntaubanga face injustice, I rise up and all that. So that's me. And thank you so much for offering your platform. When I come on your platform, yeah, TikTok is the best. TikTok is the best.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, have a great time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.